monkeys. Scary baboon. Scary baboon.
Monkeys. The monkeys.
Aiden.
Hey, watch out, plank.
Huh?
Nothing.
No.
What the hell are you doing, dude?
Is that a bear?
Back off, dude. Aiden, come here.
Wait, come here, because that music, I cannot hear you with that stupid music. Alright, say a stupid thing.
I almost paid for that. Come on, Jess.
Oh my God.
Tell
Hey,
him.
Sigmas.
Oh, finally, I'm speed.
I'm gonna mug you, Brown. I'm gonna mug you. You have El Riz. I can mug you right now.
Amazing.
Wow, pussy. Fun like that one. Wow. Oh my God. Aiden.
What?
Okay. Well, here's hospital. Uh-huh. Oh. Oh my God, green.
Yo!
LeBron James!
No!
LeBron
LeBron James!
No, I gotta record.
Somebody stand in paint.
Hey, I'm a call.
Somebody stand in paint. I'm open. I'm
Hey.
open. Oh my God, where are you at?
Y'all get ready.
Hold on.
Make the team.
Get that out of here. Oh, LeBron James. I'm gonna go crazy.
Stop. Real quick, boy. Oh, God. I'm black.
Swish. Back down, Aiden. Aiden, come on. Aiden, you're cringe anyway. I know, but
Be killed.
this is the elevator.
I cannot see it.
This is the pressing button. Come here.
Hey, stop.
Come on.
I don't know if any scary black.
No! I'm scared of monsters. What?
Where's my money?
Oh, shit.
I'm okay, man. Dude. Aiden, where are you? Where's the silly Billy at? Let me see him.
Hey, Sigmas. Hey.
Me too, I did too. Sorry?
If you molest that kid. If you molest him, I'll give you $10 right now.
Can't we still raise
$10. Alright, here's the $10.
Fucking car! Scary one.
Let me out the door.
Yeah, fake money.
Where was Spawn?
Everyone, come over here.
I can't go.
Where the flip is Big Nug? Hey! Hey! Hey, you kurwa! Bomboklat! Bomboklat!
Guys, can they hear me? Guys.
Yeah,
Can
we
they
can
hear me?
Alright, Sigmas. On the count of three, we're gonna run up.
Hey, Blackie. He's a single Blackie. Fucking Blackie.
Hey, Sigmas. Okay.
Stupidity.
Is he over here? Aiden, is he right there?
Fight me!
Oh.
Oh, sure.
Aiden, where are you? Corey. Oh,
Listen here,
Aiden,
Blackie.
come here.
I'm gonna beat the
She's a runner. She's a track star.
boys.
So do I, though. So don't worry.
No.
Open your butt cheeks. Open your butt cheeks.
That's why I don't
Open
want
your
to.
butt cheeks.
I don't feel like it.
We won't. Welcome.
Big Nug.
You know what? I'm coming with you. No, I'm not. Hey, you. I don't know where my cookie is. What? Aiden, doink. Aiden.
Big
Blackie.
Nug, Big Nug, Big Nug,
Blackie.
Big Nug.
Don't worry, guys. I have a
Open the
pet.
door.
Open the fucking door, you predator. Nick.
Backing up.
One.
Closing the door.
No, that
There's-
really looks like him.
Stop closing
Next person to close the door like little boys. Next person to close the door like boys.
Oh,
You like boys.
bad.
Your father beats you. Your parents don't love you. You like boys. Your parents don't love you. Your father beats you just like this. Your father beats you just like this.
My father.
Don't worry,
Exact
guys.
replica
I'll
of last
save you.
night.
I'll save you.
Aiden, where are you?
I don't want to be dead meat. I don't want to be dead meat. Don't worry, guys. Come here. I'll save you. Let's go, guys. Let's I keep falling off this bed. I can't even keep my balance. Where's Monkey Dad?
Not really. Bring the monkey.
I'm
Bring out the monkey.
Give me up.
Bring out the monkey. Bring out the monkey. Open the door.
Open the door. Fucking Nick. Hey, boy. Fucking Nick.
No, you're not.
Damn, you killed me. Light work, no reaction. Light work, no reaction. Next person to close the door likes boys. Next person to close the door like boys. Next person to
Oh.
close the door like boys. You like boys. Your parents don't love you. Your father beats you. You like boys. Yep, you heard me right. Your uncle tickles you just like that. Your uncle tickles you
One,
just
two,
like that.
three, four,
Just like
five,
that.
six.
Your father beats
I'm
you
a girl.
with a pan.
I'm a girl.
You have bruises. When you go to school, your friends ask you why you have bruises, and it's because your dad brutally beats you.
I'm a girl. Get in your head.
Not that way, not that way, not that way.
Haha, loser. Loser, you guys suck.
If you leave the door.
Loser.
Aiden, is this yours?
You like boys. You like boys. Your uncle tickles your mom. Your uncle tickles your mom. Your dad beats
My
you. Your parents don't
uncle
love you.
is not part
He's
of my
like little
family.
boys. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry, guys. I'll save you. I'll save you. I'll save you. He's coming!
Same, bro.
Open the fucking door!
Not even joking. I've done that before a sleepover.
Get you.
Wait, open the door.
Oh no! My
Never mind. Never mind.
Oh my god, Nick, is this you here?
Yes!
Yes!
Big no, there you
that's-
are.
yo,
Where have you been,
Where
bro?
the silly billies at? What a shout out to these silly billy billies.
Hey, I just over that. I don't like that.
Where's the monster?
All right, let's go to the jar room yet again.
Where did Ben go?
Be riding in a Honda. I just